Wow, look at Main Street USA. There's definitely people on it, but it's not exactly crowded like I've seen it in the past. Once again, it is 9:55, just about an hour after opening, and for now, it's pretty empty in here. Hopefully it stays that way. But the rest of the video is to be about the Halloween stuff. Well, after several years of living in Orlando, I'm finally seeing this.
Happy Halloween,
Hey, this doesn't sound like Marilyn Manson.
scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Won't you please make me
Alright, well, I'm here for the Halloween offerings, so let's check them out. Here's a Mickey pumpkin for trick-or-treating, obviously. It lights up, but doesn't light up very brightly because it's meant to be used at night. So I did turn it on, but you can't really see it. For $13.99, you can get these drink mixes. There's 3 that make 8 ounces of drink for, again, $13.99. Wow. Buy one, get one free, supposedly, on Halloween candy. That's cool. These little mini trick-or-treat pumpkins come with candy in them. That's pretty cool. Never saw that before. Oh, these are even better. They're candy corn, but they're gummies, so they're not the nasty actual candy corn. So $7.99 for these. Yeah, a little pricey, but not too bad. $19.99 for this ceramic Mickey pumpkin. And you can put an actual little, you can put a little tea light candle in the back to light it up. That's cute. $19.99, it's actually a pretty good price. Okay, Halloween NBC mugs. Why would they be selling NBC mugs? Am I missing something? I'm missing something. $24.99 for this cute Mickey hat mug with a lid. It's this cute little, I'm not sure what material it is, but it's a thick, sort of a felt, but not really felt material. It's normally $19.99, which is a little pricey, but it's $10 right now. Not bad. I turned it on to show you guys the lights, and I am going to turn them off so I don't kill the batteries. $22.99 for this Mickey or Minnie. It's that dark gray instead of black, which I'm not really sure I understand. It's a lot of pattern here, and it's kind of cool, but it's a bit steep for the price. I'm not sure if it's on sale as well, but it's still pretty cool. So all of these glow necklaces, which are basically the Christmas lights changed to Halloween, are $10 right now. I don't know what the normal price is because it's not on the actual item. And look at this cute little backpack. It's only $75. What a bargain. That's a good look at merchandise in here, and I'm not going to show you every little thing. The video's going to be too long if I do that. But some pretty cool stuff in here. This jacket's pretty cool. But check out the decorating on this.
Thank you.
These are $10.99. Oops, $10.99 for character-inspired caramel apple. Check out the cookies. Particularly like the purple one. But those cupcakes are cute too. And here are some, I might even say the prices because you can see them. So some crispy rice treats. Some candy apples. Very, very decorated candy apples. $19.99 is a pumpkin spice candle in a ceramic sort of jar. Now what I'm wondering is, why isn't there a handle on it? Because once you're done with the candle, it could be a mug, except there's no handle. Time for some food, at least some dessert anyway. Thank you to Buyer Reconstruct who showed the not so poison apple cupcake on his Twitter feed. Otherwise I wouldn't have bought it because I wouldn't know it exists. Alright, now that I'm sufficiently more than 6 feet away from anybody, hopefully this shot works out because I brought my 5 and I forgot my 7 and the app's not working. Technology. Why is it hate me? So, definitely do not attempt to eat this without a fork and knife in my opinion, because it is far too messy. It's pretty good, but the cake is really dry. I preferred I was hoping it would be more like the Epcot 35th anniversary cupcake that looked like Spaceship Earth. That thing was amazing. This one's pretty good, but like I said, it's very dry and crummy and kind of messy. So I could see if a kid tried to eat this, he'd have a huge mess. Of course I have to come into the U.S. area, excuse me, relaxation station area. Okay, interesting. This is an outdoor seating area with a lot more seats than the U.S. area, and it's undercover. So that means shade, and of course, when it rains, you're not going to get wet. But you'd think with a park as large as Magic Kingdom compared to Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure, at least I would think that there would be more than 3, but there are 3 in this park. This is obviously one of them. A cast member came up to me and reminded me I could take my face covering off, and I've been so used to wearing them all the time that I didn't even think about the fact that it was on. I just forgot. I just wanted to sit down and observe their relaxation station. This particular one is not very large, but as I mentioned, it is under a roof, so a good place. I would expect this would fill up pretty quickly, even with limited attendance on a rainy day. Most U.S. areas are bigger than this, except for the one in New York, because this, New York City. Land costs money, so everything is a little bit smaller in New York City or any large city. One moment, there might be more seating than this. Alright, so I was right the first time. This is not additional seating down here. It is a fairly small area for a pretty large park. Alright, so another thing that is different from a U-Rest area is you can only have your face covering off if you're sitting. Unlike U-Rest, which you can have it off wherever you are. Not a bad idea. We should probably adopt that. Well, here's a bummer. The People Mover's not running right now. I always like going on the People Mover. It's like Spaceship Earth. You just have to do it. Unless you can't. Well, being I haven't been in Magic Kingdom in a little while, this is new to me. I understand why it's here, but it's still new to me. And of course the water is not running right now. And you're no longer encouraged to touch these things. For obvious reasons, but still. Alright, I've made it to the next relaxation station. This one is inside. And it promises fun. Once again, a quite small area for a rest area. But this one again is obviously indoors and air conditioned. So far, that's 2 out of 3 that are covered. They have these signs here, but it doesn't mention that you have to wear your face covering while you're not sitting. Just realized that this is the exit. I don't know how I could have known. It's not like they have signs. Oh, they do. Alright, so I found the final of the 3 relaxation stations, and once again, like the other 2, not very big. This one's actually even smaller than some of the other ones. Yes, I am finally going on the Haunted Mansion before I leave. Yeah, I know this is here all year long, but it's still very Halloween, so gotta check out the gift shop for the Haunted Mansion. For $40, you get this little bag. It's kind of small for $40, but it feels like quality and it's pretty cool. $20 for this mug and shovel. It's kind of cool, but also kind of small for that price, but it's nice theming. For $3 more, you can get this significantly larger mug with a lid. Seems like a much better deal. I always kind of like this room. This is nice. Those jars look pretty cool. I could spend a whole lot of time here because you can see this is not specifically for Halloween. $89.99 for this. It's a little pricey, but it's also very cool. Here's a Haunted Mansion themed dog harness for itty bitty little things. Stella actually has been on the Haunted Mansion. One more thing before we leave. Here's a Squeak Toy, which is also a dog toy, which would last about a minute with Stella because it's made of really, really thin plastic that doesn't feel like it would hold up very well at all. Again, there are a lot more things that are cool in there, but trying to stay with the not so scary Halloween. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.